So go back to the devotion page. Go back to the devotion page. Basahin. Teacher M, pakibasa po yung...
As well. I think for me, it's because, well, first of all, I knew like back at home there wasn't anything else to really do other than like work and maybe hang out with my friends. But I think I really enjoy having intentional time to spend with God, and I feel like during the mission trip, that's all that I can focus on. And then it also teaches me to put Him first and remind myself that it's all for God rather than for myself.
So I think nakikita yun ni Lord, and kahit na minsan hindi ko po yun nakikita, alam ni Lord yung purpose kung bakit hindi ko, and everything happens naman kasi po lahat ko is may time nangyayari.
So, hindi siya magkakaroon. So, I fear of disappointing my... Hindi ka, iiyak kasi. English daw po. So, I fear of disappointing my parents and my grandparents about the future. Kasi
It's okay, go. It's okay, go, baby.
Kasi po, paano ko sabihin nyo? Kasi po, first daughter, only daughter, and first granddaughter, so they're expecting so much from me. Takot po akong ma-disappoint ko sila sa future na mangyayari sa akin. Ganun po. Yun po yung lagi ko sinurrender sa Lord kung ano po mangyayari sa buhay ko. Sorry po.
Para po sa akin personally, naiisip ko po, syempre mas maging productive po sa ministry kagaya po ng mission. Kasi alam niyo naman po, galing po kami ng Batangas. So umuwi lang po talaga din kami dito para maka-join po ng mission. In short, maging productive more sa ministry. Kagaya na po ng mission.
Thank you.
Yung work ko po sa Manila is natapos ko po yung contract ng 6 months. Tapos hindi na po nag-continuous. Tapos parang ang calling po sa akin ni Lord is umuwi mo na dito sa atin. Tapos yun po, nung nabalitaan ko po na magkakaroon tayo ng mission this coming July. After po nung work ko dun sa may Manila, dapat po mag-a-apply ako abroad. Pero parang sabi ni Lord, i-delay mo muna yung pag-apply mo sa abroad. Pero mag-join ka sa mission.
Surrender. Appreciate you. Thank you for sharing.